But then you came close and tore that old veil. You said you were proud of me. We cannot forget, it's all about love. The love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget, it's all about love. Oh, we've been forgiven in perfect love. So awake my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. The story of my Jesus Christ forever made us new. Oh, you made us new. So I'll throw off all my doubt as you open my eyes to see the King of the cross is now fully alive, and my shame dead at Calvary. Oh, we cannot forget, it's all about love. The love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget, it's all about love. But we've been forgiven in perfect love. Awake my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. Oh, the story of my Jesus Christ forever makes us new.
The moody wind that once made us meet is blowing furiously down the street. The friendly breeze at our back has lately been swaying, and I don't know if you're looking for somebody better or something more, 'cause even when you're with me, your eyes are still strained. So if you wanna go, make it very quiet. Leave the door half open, don't turn on the light. I will see the note lying on the stand. See the empty space and I will understand. And if you wanna leave, take good care of you. Maybe it's about time we try something new. Maybe for a while, maybe just a fluke. The wind will just give back the same way that it took. But then the house just won't be the same. Trees will be moaning and crying your name, and I will hear your voice resound in the silence. I'm gonna browse through my old scrapbook. But I left that the way we looked, up for a hint that the wind is sounding you back. So if you wanna go, make it very quiet. Leave the door half open, don't turn on the light. I will see the note lying on the stand. See the empty space and I will understand. And if you wanna leave, take good good care of you. Maybe it's about time we try something new. Maybe for a while, maybe just a fluke. The wind will just give back the same way that it took.